If your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G started lagging, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on Device Care. From here, just tap on Storage. Now just check if you have enough storage on your tablet or not. If the storage is low on your tablet, just delete some data on your tablet to free up some storage. For example, you can delete any app which you are not using, or you can upload all the photos and videos from your tablet to the cloud, and you can delete them from your tablet to free up some space. Now after you do that, then just go back and tap on Memory. Now from here, just tap on Clean Now and clean the memory of your tablet. Once this process is completed, then just go back and tap on Battery. Now under the battery settings, if power saving is enabled, just disable power saving. Because when this feature is enabled, your tablet will prioritize the battery life over the performance of your tablet. So just disable this toggle. Now after you've done all that, then just scroll down under Settings and tap on About Tablet. From here, just scroll down and tap on Software Information. Then tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Continue. Now just select OK, and after you do that, you will enable developer options on your tablet. Now in the search bar of your settings, just search this. Then tap on Transition Animation Scale, and over here you will find 3 options. Now just tap on Window Animation Scale, and instead of 1x, just select 0.5x. Now just do the same with the Transition Animation Scale and the Animator Duration Scale. Now after you do that, under Developer Options, just scroll down, and from here just look for the option of Running Services. Now just tap on it, and over here you will find all the apps and the features on your tablet which are running in the background. Now to stop the apps from running in the background, just tap on the app which you want to stop, then select Stop, then tap on OK, and once you do that, you will stop the selected app from running in the background. Just like that. Tap on Stop and select OK. Now after you have done that, now under Settings, just tap on Software Update, and from here just tap on Check for New Updates. Now if you have any software update available, just update the software of your tablet. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. Now you can do that by just pressing and holding on the power button. And after you do that, the power menu will appear on the screen, and from here you can select Restart. But for some reason, if the power button is not working on your tablet, you can open the control center, and from here just tap on the power icon and select Restart. And by doing that, you will do a restart on your tablet. And this is how you can fix the lag problem on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.